Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, where the crisp air carries whispers of history, lies the tranquil waters of Lake Dillon. But beneath its shimmering surface, a submerged secret awaits, a hidden ghost town lost to the depths of time. Once upon a time, long before the lake existed, the town of Dillon stood proud, a testament to the pioneers who sought a new life amidst the rugged beauty of the Colorado mountains. It was a bustling mining town with wooden storefronts, a lively saloon, and a close-knit community that faced the challenges of the frontier with unwavering spirit. As the years passed, the need for water storage and flood control led to the creation of Lake Dillon. The decision to flood Dillon was met with mixed emotions. Some mourned the loss of their homes, and one resident even resisted until the water rose up around his ankles. Others saw it as a necessary sacrifice for progress. Today, the old town of Dillon lies beneath the still waters, a submerged relic frozen in time, yet its legacy lives on in the tales passed down through generations. Old Dillon may have been lost, but it became an inadvertent time capsule, preserving the essence of a bygone era beneath the ripples. Adventure seekers can now enjoy a scenic 18.8-mile bike route around the Dillon Reservoir. Good morning, friends. I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And today we are in Colorado on our Colorado road trip. And we are going to do something so fun today that I've been wanting to do for a long time. That is
biking around Lake Dillon.
But not just biking, we are actually going to be doing e-bikes around Lake Dillon.
Yeah, just to be fair, you know, we are in a mountain, and it is, we're at about 9,500 feet, so the breathing is not as easy as it is other places. So we're going to definitely do e-bikes because we want to enjoy ourselves.
Not only that, we're in the Rocky Mountains, so like it's a mountain. So we will still be doing a lot of work, even with a little assist. Yeah. So what we've noticed though here is that there's a ton of biking going on everywhere. Yes. That seems to be one of the top sports to do in the summer in Colorado. So we definitely wanted to try that. Join us for the adventure.
Come along for the ride.
All right, so we were gonna leave Coda back at the camper, and we had the camera set up and we were all ready to leave him. We came down here and they actually have a little cart. They have one specifically designed for dogs, but it was already rented. So we're gonna take the kid one, and Coda is coming biking with us.
Coming biking.
So let's go get Coda. All right, we're putting Coda into the bike thingy. So let's see how this goes. Hold on, let me put this. Coda, come here. Coda. Can you back it up a little bit more?
Back up the bike?
Yeah, so that I can capture it. All right.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even my eyes still closed. They're coming in. Golden, I'll follow them. Golden,
This goes over the side.
golden,
Yeah, there's Velcro on this.
golden chains. In spring. Rain.
So Coda was inside laying down, and he has figured out how to pop out and look around because he wants to watch me, which he is clipped in there as well, so he couldn't go very far. So Kevin has to make sure that his back wheels stay on the trail, and the front wheels are skinny, so you don't think about it when you're biking, but you have to think about it when you actually have that little wagon on the back, because if his wheel goes off, they're both gonna flip. I definitely don't want to flip to the side over there, because also that water's cold.
Golden things.
So we're stopping to put our helmets on just because there's no reason for brain damage when we have helmets. Thank you.
Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I follow the golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden.
So going next to the water was a little stressful because you can hear the wind and it was a little windy. All I could think was what that guy said about the water, and that if you fall in the water, you have like 8 minutes and then hypothermia sets in. That's how cold it was. And all I could think, the wind's gonna blow me over, and Coda and I are going right in. There's like it seems like over 40 miles. You can go around Dillon Lake. You can go to Breckenridge. You can go to Copper Mountain. You can go out to Keystone, Vale. It's just tons of trails. So super fun place to go biking. And Coda loves it.
We love it.
He just keeps turning around, checking to see where I am, checking the situation out. He doesn't want to lay down, but he does love it. So now that we're back from our bike ride, we're starving. So we're gonna make some boondock steak burritos and some guacamole. Campground that we're staying at, it's really nice. It has electric, nice bathrooms. They're pit toilets, but they're still really clean. And we have access to water, but we don't have showers. So we are going to head down to the Silverthorne Recreation Center. You can go there and you can shower for $8 each, or you can pay $15 and have access to the Recreation Center, which has hot tub, pool, workout facilities, all the things. So we're gonna go do all the things since we biked for 4 hours today.
That was a great shower. Got to go in the hot tub, enjoy all the amenities. You can actually go for $5 if you go at the twilight hour, which is just an hour before they close, instead of $14. You can also pay just $5 to just take a shower. So good stuff. And of course they have a climbing wall, slides, and they have a bunch of stuff for kids. If you have children of any age, really, that's a great place to go. And they have lifeguards on duty, so it's a good deal all the way around. And another great thing is they have weight room facilities, all the workout stuff that you would want or need. So it's kind of like a full gym with all the amenities, so it's pretty good. They are doing some renovations right now, so it's a little kind of funny on how you get to where you go, but very good. I definitely recommend it.
We are now clean. We got to do some e-biking, then we got to shower and get clean. I'm not gonna say how long it'd been since our shower. Just know we needed to shower.
Yeah.
we can check this off as another successful day.
Yes.
So for more, well, we're definitely gonna put our sticker on the back. As usual, we have a sticker from Frisco and it says, let's get lost. So.
And then also, we got some coffee from Rocky Mountain Coffee Roasters.
We found out that Coda is fantastic at riding in the back of the car, of the bike, in the pet trailer. So we're definitely going to invest in one of those. So that was super fun. And I think today, just as usual, it was just another day of trying something new that we'd not done before here, and not being afraid to do that, and not being afraid to put Coda in the back and see how things went. And it ended up being a success. So don't be afraid to try new stuff. And for more adventures like this, you can click on the video on the screen, or you can go to our website at www.befreebenson.com, or go to our channel and click on any one of our playlists. This is our Colorado series.
And if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And also, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel.
As always, get out there, try some new stuff, have a great adventure, and be free. Let's go put a sticker on.
Awesome.
Ooh.
I just lost that sticker.